He sat by the window. Same café. Same table. Same time. 4 p.m. sharp. Every single day. The waitress didn't ask anymore. She just brought him 2 cups of coffee, placed one in front of him, and set the other across the table, where no one Saturday, no sugar, no cream, she said with a gentle smile. He nodded politely. Thank you. It was always the same routine. Outside, the seasons changed. Leaves turned golden, then disappeared. Snow came and went. Flowers returned to bloom. But he remained. People started noticing him. They whispered. They guessed. Some called him loyal, others called him crazy. But he didn't mind. His eyes were fixed on the door. Every time the bell above the cafe rang, he turned. Just for a second. Hope lit up in his eyes, then faded again. A year ago, they sat at that very table. He wore a nervous smile. She wore sadness in her eyes. He held a ring box in his pocket. She held a decision in her heart. I love you, he had told her. I want a future with you. She looked away. I don't know who I am anymore. I feel lost. Empty. Afraid. I need time to figure out who I want to be. So, this is goodbye? He asked, voice cracking. Maybe. Maybe not. She reached for her coat. Don't wait for me, she whispered. Please, don't. But he looked at her. Straight in the eyes and said, I will. Every day. Same place. If you ever come back, you'll find me here. She left without looking back. And he kept his word. Day after day. Even when no one believed. Even when his friends stopped asking. Even when the cafe staff changed and the new manager thought he was just part of the furniture. He came. He waited. He hoped. Some days, he brought a notebook. He wrote letters he never sent. You would have laughed at the bird that flew into the cafe today. Your favorite flower is blooming outside. The same pink ones you used to steal. It's been 100 days. And I still can't forget your laugh. Other days, he just sat in silence. The coffee went cold. His heart, colder. But his seat was always full. Half by memory, half by faith. Strangers started to notice. One girl took a picture and posted it online. Man waits every day for someone who never comes. Heartbreaking. The post went viral. People sent him flowers. Letters. Encouragement. Some even visited the cafe just to see him. But he wasn't interested in attention. He only wanted one person. And she never came. Until one rainy evening. The streets were quiet. The sky cried harder than usual. The cafe was nearly empty. Only a few regulars stayed, sipping slowly, enjoying the calm. He sat by the window, as always. 2 cups of coffee. His gray jacket was soaked at the shoulders. He stared blankly out the window. And then, the bell rang. He didn't look up at first. He was tired. Hope had become a habit, not a feeling. But then, a voice. Soft. Familiar. Broken. Is this seat taken? His hands froze. The spoon dropped from his fingers. He looked up. And there she was. Standing in the doorway. Hair drenched. Eyes red. Lips trembling. She looked older. Not just tired, wiser. Stronger. But still her. In her arms, she held a baby. A little boy, wrapped in a faded blue blanket. She stepped forward. "I didn't know how to face you," she said. "I was ashamed. I ran from everything, even from love." Her eyes glistened. "But I never forgot you. Not for 1 second." She took a deep breath. "This is Ethan. He's yours." He stood up. Slowly. Tears welled in his eyes. He reached for the baby with trembling hands. The boy looked up, same deep brown eyes. He looked at her. Still speechless. Still stunned. "I'm sorry," she whispered. "I should have come back sooner. But I was scared. I wasn't ready to be a mother, or a wife. But now I know, I don't want to keep running. I want home. And home is here. With you." He didn't say anything. Instead, he pulled out the second coffee cup and pushed it toward her. His voice cracked as he smiled. This seat was never taken. She sat. He took the baby in his arms. And for the first time in a year, the cafe didn't feel empty anymore.